Hello children, myself Amuta Shanmunathan, teaching Shet Vidya Mandir English High School for Standard 3rd. Subject English Standard 3rd. Topic A team of workers. Lesson number 22 A team of workers. All body parts stand together holding hands. All work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth. Hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Hands. We lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take. We pull, we push, we put 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. Mouth. Feet, come forward and tell us what you do. Feet. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance. We skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about and just in time we stop. Mouth, eyes, ears, nose. What about you? We open, we close, we read, we blink. We see things far and near. Ears, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose. I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Mouth. Oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink. I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All. That's right, the belly doesn't do any work. Belly? That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Eyes. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hands. The only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All. We won't work for you. You won't get any food now. The lesson, A Team of Workers, is a play of skit. And here the character of the sticks are all the body parts. In the starting scene, all the body parts holding their hands and singing the songs. In the next scene, the mouth coming forward and introducing the hands and telling them to say something about their work. The hand is saying about the work they does. For example, give, take, pull, push, etc. At last they are saying that they are very clever pair. Then the mouth introduce the feet and the feet come forward and saying about their work. The feet saying that their work are skip, jump, hop and even stop in any time. Then the eyes come forwards and saying about their work, that is close, open, read, blink. They can see the things far and near. The ears come forward and saying about their work, that they hear the sound of loud and soft. Nose come forward and saying about the work it does. It breathes day and night and can never rest, and it can smell good or bad or best. And the nose asking the work the mouth does. Come forward and saying about its work. That is, it speak, eat, drink, sip slurp, chew and bite. Slurp means to drink something noisily. The mouth is saying it is chewing and biting all the food, but it goes to the lazy belly. And the belly doesn't do any work. Belly means stomach. Then the belly is saying that I do a lot of work, but it doesn't seen by you all. Eyes is saying to the belly that you are not doing any work, so we can't able to see you. The hand says to the belly that you only work you does is to grab all good food. And all the body parts together, they are saying that belly is not doing any work. Belly, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 3 hours later, belly, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others, no means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Belly, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others, sorry. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 2 days later, belly, how are you, my friends? Mouth, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, we feel so weak. Eyes, we can't see properly. Ears and nose, we feel so tired. All, what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Brain, you silly fellows. Now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. All. Could it be, is it the belly? Brain. Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? All. Yes. Now we know this belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off, he does important work. All holds hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. The belly says that don't do that. If you are not giving me food, we all going to suffer. Body part together said, don't try to deceive, nothing you will receive. Deceive means cheat. All the body parts decided not to give food to the belly. After 3 hours, the belly is asking food from all the body parts. The other body parts saying that they are not going to give food today and they are going to relax. Belly is requesting the other body parts to give the food. But all the body parts says, sorry, don't try to deceive, nothing you will receive. 2 days after, the belly is asking to his friends, how are you, my friends? Mouth is saying it feels so dry. Hands and feet also saying they become very weak. And eyes is saying they can't able to see. And nose is saying that it become very tired. All are saying that something happened to us. What is the wrong with us? Now the brain enter into the scene. The brain says that you don't have energy because you are not provide food to the belly. Belly works is to digest the food and send energy to you all. The brain is saying to all the body parts, so now you understood that what the work the belly does. Now the body parts all hold hands and sing together the song, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. I hope children understood that each and every body part is equally important for us. If any body part is ill or injured or unable to work, then we can't able to do our work properly.